For China, what's going to be really important is this political certainty, well, essentially the trade certainty, really. G20 at the moment is the next catalyst for potential resolution. We do see a fair bit of risk going into this position. Simply because that there will be decision made on whether there's 25% on those goods and whether there will be extension on everything with that 25%. So that could have a meaningful negative impact on both the U.S. and China economy. So in 10-month time, if that's been the case, that you have economists calling for a U.S. recession. So it's incredibly important heading into that result. The market is very much in the holding pattern.
Yeah, meantime, China, though, is certainly not in a holding pattern in terms of policymakers. They're not just sitting on their hands. I mean, actively, we saw from the May home price data out earlier this morning that they're shoveling as much stimulus as they can at the economy.
Oh, absolutely. You should see increased stimulus. If you look at the steel production, which is generally a good barometer of what's happening with stimulus, has been incredibly strong in the last couple of months, and we expect that to be reasonably sustained. However, the steel margin is pretty low, but you can see the stimulus coming through. But we do expect the larger package of the stimulus is going to be more consumer and consumption focused, because that's really going to really trade the economy out of that slowdown.
When you look at investment choices in this particular environment, we all know what the risks are. You've been discussing some of them. How do you see through the noise?
Yeah, look, it's very important to stick to, people always use the word fundamental. It's to stick to the company that is going to generate, sustainable earning and earnings growth by that matter. And also in today's lower for longer sort of difficult to find yield sort of environment, it's important to hold yield in your portfolio as well, defensive yield that has growth. And also, of course, with the political, geopolitical risks, that is quite heightened. It's important not to take on too much of the beta risk, that is the market risk at this point of the cycle.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.